Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to change a Volkswagen Key Fob battery. So this is for a Polo GTI 2 litre, but basically if it's they use a lot of the same keys for a lot of the same cars and different cars. So what we do is we're going to have the key open like this. So if we do that, we're going to open it up, right, and then we're going to look in here, and you see basically we're going to open this up here. So we want to sort of push it up. So if we do that now, there we go, I'm just pushing it. That's it, get your key underneath it, pull it up, and that's it. So you've got the battery there. So now we want to pull out this battery. Now this battery is a 2032, CR2032. So 2032 is the one we want. It's this one, 2032. So we're going to take this one out and we're going to force it out like this, and it takes off. Not very good, but anyway, so we take the new one, we force it back in, click it back in, there we go. So you can see it's CR2032. You may, you'll see which battery you need. When you open it up, it will either say a CR2025 or it will say a CR2032, but you should put the same battery in that is supposed to be in there. And then you just take the cover and you push it on, click it closed, that's it, and all done, ready to go. You see it's flashing already. That's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe and give us a like as well. Thank you very much and have a great day. And now you can get back into your car.